All right, so today is Friday, or should be Friday. This is the first week of school, and what we're going to be doing today is taking a look at Schoology, and we'll also be taking a look at the syllabus. So when you log into Schoology and you head to what they call the course page, you might see some courses that you're enlisted in. With me, I have my sections of Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Pre-Calc accordingly. For this one, we're going to look at Algebra 1. So I'm going to what they call the course page. This will eventually have all of the links and all of the notes and all of the lessons that we need for this course. In here, we see that we have a folder for the lessons. As mentioned in class, this will be flipped, so you'll be able to find all of your lessons and videos in this folder. You'll also be able to find outlines that I put together or I found, and I think these encompass what I'm looking for in each topic and what I want you to take away. You'll also find homework problem lists, additional practice, additional links. Eventually, some of these will make more sense in time. But the main piece that we're going to be looking at today is going to be the syllabus. So if you're following along with me, the algebra syllabus or the pre-calc syllabus or algebra 2 syllabus should be somewhere on your course page, and we're going to be clicking this. We are then taken to the syllabus. I'm going to be using this video for all of the classes that I teach because they look similar and a lot of the stuff just goes back and forth. So whether it's an algebra syllabus, similar to what we have here, or pre-calc seen here, or algebra 2, a lot of the context is the same. You can read this course description on your own. So with the algebra syllabus, this talks off with the description, talking about what the course is about. You'll also see my contact info up here. And if on the off chance you need to make another Schoology account, which hopefully won't happen, you can use this access code to get back in. We then see in yellow an explanation about how this course is going to work. As mentioned in class, this is flipped, which is implying that students will watch the video lesson and learn the material at home and come to class and have questions to work with or anything that you need to revise or have any additional questions about. In class time is scheduled for that. So it talks more about that there. Required materials, pretty standard for all three classes that I'm teaching. Pencils, a notebook, graph papers recommended for all of the classes, whether it's Algebra 1, Algebra 2, or Pre-Calc. A folder or binder just to stay organized. Homework we'll be completing in class in time. A graphing calculator is definitely going to be helpful. If you just need something to tide you over, Desmos should work just fine. As far as grading for the quarter, we are using PowerSchool this year, so this has switched up from what we worked with previously on Grade Connect. So I'm still fine-tuning how this course grade is going to work. Depending on your course, you might have a 60, 30, and then a 10%. As far as your class goes, I think pre-calc might be slightly different with 70, 20, and then 10. That's also the same for Algebra 2, 70, 20, 10. And you can always check your grade on PowerSchool, and you should have a login. What I expect from you is that you're coming to class regularly and on time. You're prepared for class every day, meaning you've watched a video of the lesson if need be to come into class that day, ready with any questions you might have. Of course, showing self-control during each class period. Homework is slightly different because instead of submitting through Schoology, most of the time you're going to be completing this in class and showing me then. Of course, following through with what I expect, taking daily notes, completing practice problems, participating in class discussions, and completing group work. Ideally, if you're falling behind, redoing problems is the best way to approach this. What's nice about this course is that all the videos and the lessons are on YouTube, so you can always go back and check that out. Again, just by hitting the materials page and then going to the playlist. Of course, let me know if you're stuck on something. I'm always available for after school help as long as you give me a 48 hours heads up. Of course, be responsible for your learning. For some of you, this is your first year here at O'Hara. For some of you, this is your fourth year at O'Hara. Some of you I've taught before, some of you I have not. But I hope that you're coming to class ready and you're positive and you're ready to learn or ask questions on the material. Volunteering is also helpful. We'll show that you understand what's going on. Support. Depending on the syllabus that you have, you might have different codes here. These codes are here to help you out. So click these or type those in if you ever get stuck on material. They usually have videos and extra practice. Of course, let me know if you have any concerns or if you need any extra help. Please email me. Again, my email is all the way at the top. Homework policy, when it says that you need to complete your homework every night, if I mention that you need to watch a video, make sure you watch it and complete the notes. For all of the classes, the textbook is going to be in class for Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. Your textbook can also be accessed online, and I'll show you more details on that in time. For additional practice and also integrating technology practice into the course, we'll be using mathexcelforschool.com. These are to be completed in a timely manner. This is different than how we've graded in the past, where it might not be on the scale of how many questions there are. Now each assignment and also written assignment is worth 5 points, so please make a note of this. You can either get a 5, a 3, or a 0 based on the work. If it's written homework, meaning it's work that was started in class and was sent back for homework, if you don't have it when I'm looking for it, you can submit it 1 day late. But ideally, if you submit everything on time and have everything ready in class, it shouldn't be an issue. Answer keys will be posted throughout the year, so check those out. I'll always make that noticed. For pre-calc, you actually have your answer key available to you already. For algebra and algebra 2, I'll make sure those get posted as the year goes on. Portfolios might be a segment of your grade. This is pretty much going to be a compilation of notes, homeworks, and tests just to try and make sure that you're organized with the course and keeping everything together. These will help you study for tests along with the YouTube videos that have been posted. In yellow, the main idea as far as absences and makeup work, it's the responsibility of the student to find out what was missed and make arrangements to make up missed work. So if you are out for Kairos or you're out for one reason or another, it's up to you to figure out what you missed. Luckily with Schoology, there's a lot of great materials here to keep you updated even if you are out. As mentioned previously with the classroom technology signs in class, follow through with the signs. I'll be letting you know when it's okay to use a phone or a laptop and when it's not okay. What you'll see towards the end is a page that you're being asked to sign off on and also signature along with your parent or guardian. I'll also be getting a little bit of information from your parent or guardian as far as phone number, email, and I'll also be filling out some information for you so I can figure out if I need to make an accommodation for technology or Wi-Fi at home, anything like that. So notice that I'm not giving out a paper copy of the syllabus this year. The syllabus is online and you should know how to access it. We'll double check this in class to make sure that you know where to go and how to get here.